Oliver and Libby, I'm glad you both could make the call. As you all know, our new brand campaign kicks off next month. Everyone loved Jenna's voice on the last project. She became the sound of our brand.
Absolutely, but her quote for this new project is almost $3,000. We didn't plan for that in this quarter's budget.
Okay, hear me out. We already have hours of her previous recordings. I can upload them into an AI voice generator and recreate her voice for free. Same quality, no additional cost. We could save thousands.
Are you talking about generating new audio using AI to mimic her voice?
Yeah. I mean, we already have a contract with Jenna, and her voice is already part of our assets. Why pay more?
But the contract only gives us the rights to use the recordings we already paid for, not her voice itself. Cloning her voice for a new project might violate likeness and licensing laws.
Exactly. Even though the AI can reproduce her voice, it doesn't mean we're legally allowed to. A creator owns their voice the same way a writer owns their text or a photographer owns their images. We can only use the recordings we licensed, not generate new synthetic versions.
So, even though the technology makes it possible, we still need her permission.
Yes. Without explicit written authorization, using AI to imitate someone's voice, image, or identity is a violation of intellectual property rights and could create serious legal risks for us. We need to stay compliant and respect her rights. I'll check with finance to see if they can help us adjust the budget for this project.
And I'll reach out to Jenna to see if she's open to a different rate or a smaller scope for this campaign.
Even when AI offers a cheaper, faster alternative, we must follow ethical and legal standards. You cannot use AI in a way that deceives people. Voice artists, actors, and creators retain ownership rights over their likeness, voice, and identity, even if we've licensed past work. If a voice sounds like a real person, the company must have clear, documented rights and permission to use that likeness, otherwise it's not allowed. When AI speaks or interacts, especially in customer-facing ways, it must clearly identify itself as AI, not a human. If you ever have questions about when you can or cannot use AI, contact your manager or the legal department before moving forward.